we're talking about starting an affiliate marketing business from scratch with no following and no email list. Welcome back. If we haven't met before, my name is Heather. In my prior video, I talked about the 3 essential things that you need to get started. The first of which is knowing who you are and who you want to serve. So today we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you my workbook that I've created, or part of the workbook that I've created to help you find your niche and find out what you want to be known for. So without further ado, let's jump in there and take a look at that workbook to get you started. Okay, so this is the workbook that I created to help you find out who you want to be or what you want to be known for and who you want to serve. To get the complete guide, just message me or check out the link in the description of this video to get your free copy. Before you can do anything, you need to know who you are. It's super touchy. If you don't, your audience won't know who you are and what you serve either. So it's important to be you and nobody else. We've all done it before. We've tried to copy one of the influencers that you've gotten your great idea from, and that's okay to get started. But it's super important to follow your intuition and be you, your authentic you. Trust me, your audience will find you when you find your voice. It may be tempting, again, to want to copy someone in your niche that is ahead of where you are, but I assure you, don't do this. Trust me, I've tried it and it doesn't resonate with your audience. So I'm going to tell you, start from the beginning. You're always one step ahead of someone. Your audience will not connect with you because you aren't being you. So what are you really good at? Brain dump here everything that you're good at, even if it sounds silly. Like maybe you're really good at organizing. Maybe you're really good at meal prepping. Maybe you're really good at technical stuff and breaking things down. I'm really good at creating processes, standing operating procedures, and explaining technical stuff in layman's terms so people don't get frustrated. I do think I have a special knack for being patient and working through people's frustration to set them at ease. And that's actually why I got into this, because I've worked with people where they were near tears because they wanted to start a business so badly that they just didn't know how and were frustrated because they didn't have patience with themselves. So I just kind of set them at ease and encouraged them to be patient with themselves as they learned new things, because anything new is frustrating, right? So what are you passionate about? Maybe you're passionate about sports teams, or eating healthy, or reading, running, biking, the outdoors, whatever. Just again, brain dump here. There is no right or wrong answer. Put as many things here as you can think of what you're passionate about. At the end, you'll go back to this block and say, okay, I'm passionate about this, but can I actually make money from this? And I want to tell you, you can probably make money from just about anything. The key is, how much can you actually talk about it? So I've been working in the entrepreneurial space for about 5 years now, and I am super passionate about it. And I'm super passionate about providing resources to you to help you build your business without getting stuck in the overwhelm. And I can talk about it forever because I just love it. Like I feel like I have no problem. And when you can talk about something without struggling, that's your niche. That's what you're going to find people resonate with you about. So the people, and now the next question is, the people I enjoy hanging out with are passionate about, and then kind of fill that in. So most of the people that I like to hang out with are passionate about finding ways to be their own boss or make extra money, that type of thing. So I like hanging out with them because I like hearing their ideas and I like learning from them. Now, does that mean that you actually have to hang out with the people that you want to help? Not necessarily, but most of the time where you're going to find you're going to want to help people is a place that you've been. So maybe you've struggled in this area before and you've learned something that you now know how to help people. So that's usually a good clue that you probably are already hanging out there. Now you want to think about how you can uniquely help people with, or by, or because. And trust me, the way that you teach something is your unique goodness, right? That's your unique proposition, and people want that. So whether you learned what you're teaching from somebody else, how you explain it and how you are going to share it with people is going to be unique to you. So embrace your uniqueness, embrace your quirkiness, and don't shy away from that because people want that. Believe it or not, there are people just like you out there that want to hear your message. And again, the last question is, can I make money from this? Can I talk confidently about this for a pretty good time? Let's just say people say, can you talk about it without much preparation for 20 to 30 minutes? And if the answer is yes, then you're on the right path. I actually started out my entrepreneurial business. I was all about LinkedIn. I called myself the LinkedIn Lady Boss. I love LinkedIn. It's one of my favorite platforms. So that's where I launched my business. And now that I've spent time in the social media space, I've kind of leveled up my game, and I want to talk about other things to help people grow their business without overwhelm. So that's kind of where I started. Start with one thing and get really good at that before you expand what you're offering. So the last question is, I am blank. So you're going to put your name in. I am Heather, and I am known for the go-to person for whatever. I am Heather, and I am known for helping entrepreneurs grow their business online without overwhelm, using resources that put more money in their pocket, right? So that is step one, is who you want to be and what you want to be known for. Now that you know who you are, you need to decide who you help and how. My coach and mentor described this as your bumper sticker. Why a bumper sticker? I didn't really quite get it until she said, it's a short sentence that tells people who you help and what problem that you solve. Typo there. I will tell people you are looking for them. It will tell people you are looking for them, and it will attract your audience. So now it's time to create your bumper sticker. Who do you want to help? Start with just one before you can add others. Chalene Johnson always said, start with one thing and get really good at it before you can, so you can talk about everything. So I help entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. They're basically the same thing, but maybe you want to help women or moms, dads, men, young professionals, empty nesters, retirees, network marketers, affiliate marketers, whatever. But focus on one of those because you need to speak to them. Don't try to speak to everybody. So I help entrepreneurs with sales and marketing strategies so that they can build their business online without tech overwhelm. I do suggest not using negative words in your bumper sticker because you use negative, you probably will get those overwhelmed people and they will be overwhelming. So I actually have my bumper sticker written down, and you should know it eventually off the top of your head, but I've pivoted recently. So my bumper sticker is kind of in transition, but I help aspiring entrepreneurs create an affiliate marketing business so that they can make money online with ease. So that's my focus right now because I want to scale up and I'm a digital nomad. That is my that's why I've pivoted a little bit. I still help the entrepreneurs create those sales and marketing systems, but I'm wanting to add affiliate marketing to my business. So that is my main focus. So I hope you found that information helpful in helping you find and discover who you want to be known for and who you help and how you help them before you dive in to finding your platform, building your email list, and creating your website. This is super important because everything else will fall into place once you have clarity on this. Don't skip this step. Super important. I will tell you, I skipped over it several times and have wasted money and time because I was not clear on my vision and who I wanted to help. stay fabulous, stay curious, and I'll see you on the next video.